What's up guys, it is Jep here at Jep's Outdoor Adventures, and today we're going to be doing a video about my cook kit, so stay tuned. So as I said, we're going to be doing a video about my cook kit. Now, I waited this long to do a video about it because I finally got like the last piece of the puzzle to really finish this. If I hadn't got that, then this may not be as good of a cook kit as I'd want it to be. So let's just dive in. So the first item here, if I can get it out, is this. Now this is a grill. Now I got this at a thrift store for about $1.40. And instead of being like a normal camping grill where the legs just go down like this, what basically happens is they fold out like this. And so you can have a rock ring around your fire, and then you just kind of put this up on top of the rocks, and this locks in place. You can put your pot or fry pan or whatever over the fire, and it'll cook very well. I like that a lot. Very inexpensive, pretty durable, so I like that a lot. So this grill is the first item in my cook kit. Okay guys, now this is the second item in my cook kit. It's just a nice little kettle here. Now, as you can see, it has some glue here, and that's because several months ago I dropped this while trying to carry it to my room. The entire handle didn't break, but pieces of it did, and so to keep it in place so I could hold it and use it, I Gorilla Glued it. So it's not as sturdy as I'd like it to be, but it is still screwed on, so it works. I was thinking of maybe getting like the Pathfinder kettle, or the GSI outdoor stainless steel kettle. No aluminum, only stainless steel, and that's what this is, stainless steel. With that nice copper bottom, I love how this looks. But yeah, this kettle is supposed to be a percolator, but I use it as a kettle, so this kettle is the second item. Okay guys, so the third item in my cook kit is this. Now this is the first Nalgene I ever bought. This is the Nalgene Trail Products water bottle here. I like this. This is what I use to fill up my kettle or my different Stanley pots. So yeah, the Nalgene Trail Products bottle is my third item. Okay guys, so the fourth item in my cook kit is my favorite. Okay, out of the two pots I own, this is the one that I love the most. This is the first one I bought, first cook kit, pot, whatever that I bought that I really liked and used, and that is the Stanley Cooking Cup Set. Now, I absolutely love this little thing. It's not very good for anything more than boiling some water to cook up some Mountain House or coffee, or maybe making a small thing of oatmeal. But you know what? I love this little thing. I love the arm. I love the little lid. I love the size of it. It's nice and small, and it comes with 2 green cups. I can only find the one right now. I had 2 just recently, and I can't find the other one. But it comes with 2 of these. The cups are BPA-free, made out of number 5 plastic, dishwasher safe. And what's nice about this is it's a cup that has double wall insulation, so I use this quite often to just drink coffee in the mornings. But yeah, I absolutely love this little thing. It's just a nice little pot, little cook kit. Holds about 24 ounces when filled to the rim. Holds 20 right here. As you can see, it has the measurement marks. Hopefully you can see that right there. Which is really nice. I love how the Stanley logo looks once you use it and you kind of scrub off all the smoke look that it gives you. Once you scrub some of the gunk off with a Brillo pad, you get kind of that cool look to that Stanley logo. But yeah, and this the pot cost me $10. And anyway, there's this little cup that I put on the bottom. I got at Walmart, and that cost me about $5. So put it together, $10, $5, It's 15 bucks, and then add tax and all that good stuff. So it's very affordable. Both are made out of stainless steel. I forgot the cup I use. I forgot the Ozark Trail cup I used, but practically everyone knows what the Ozark Trail stainless steel cup looks like. But that's what I use with this guy, and then with the 2 cups, that's my cook kit. So feel bad that I forgot it, but it's too late to go back up and get it because we're losing light. But anyway, yeah, so that is my first pot. As you can see, it comes with this nice little lid, which I love for straining and stuff. So that just really sweetens up the deal. So yeah, the Stanley Cook and Cup set is my 4th item. Okay, guys, I was getting a little cold, so I put on my nice warm jacket. So getting back to the subject, I wanted to show you some other pieces of my cook kit. Now, this is a pot that I got. It's like an enamel pot. As you can see, I've used it quite a lot. But we got this at a thrift store. It's a very good pot. Doesn't hold too much in it, but I like it a lot. For some reason, I wrapped it with electrical tape and duct tape. I don't know why, but I was bored. But yeah, this is a nice little pot. This is what I used when we went camping. Also, we use this guy, same time range, so I use this guy quite a lot. I absolutely loved it. This is what I would use to cook up oatmeal in the mornings. Those are great memories. But yeah, so I can't find a lid to this guy, but this pot is my... But yeah, guys, this pot is my 5th item. So the 6th item here may not seem very special to you guys, but it's a fork. Fork is my 6th item. Not very special, but definitely does the job. So the next item in here is the newest addition. That is the Stanley Prep and Cook set. Now this is a cook kit all on its own. So I made a review of this guy. That's the video I made just before this. And I really like it. I've been able to cook with it, as you can see. Yeah, I love the lid on this. It's just a magnified version of this lid. It's also Stanley, as you can see. Yeah, it has all these little holes in it to pour and let steam out. Nice little green tab on it. I love this green tab. So, opening up the contents, as you can see, it comes with 2 lids here that go over the bowls that it comes with. They're also double as cutting boards, so that's kind of a neat idea. So there's 2 lids here. Then you have a spatula, which at the time didn't really make sense to me because this is a pot that's not very big. It's not like you're going to be cooking up sausage and eggs with this. But what it might come in handy for is just scraping the gunk at the very bottom of the pan off. So, never know till you try, but that's just an idea I had. Maybe that's what it's supposed to be used for, but there you go, a little spatula. Now, this one actually makes sense, and it's a ladle. So, it's nice, you can kind of use this to pour and stuff like that, so I really like that. So, as I said, there are 2 bowls in here. 2 green bowls, and then the lids fit right on top of them. So that's kind of a cool little idea. So there's that. The pot itself is stainless steel. It holds about 40 ounces or so that's a good amount. As you can see on the inside, well, hopefully you can see, I cooked rice, and you can see the indents of the rice. Excuse me, of the rice on the bottom. So it's kind of a cool look, but yeah. So the Stanley Prep and Cook set is the 8th item. Okay, guys, so the final item in this kit is probably the most important, and that is when you're in the bush, whether you're hiking, camping, in a survival or bushcraft, in a survival situation or bushcrafting, yes, you do need the pot to cook up something. But what if you can't eat it? that kind of ruins the whole purpose of trying to cook something. Well, this solves it. This is the Light My Fire Titanium Spork. Now, this has a really funny background to this. Now, for some reason, we decided to go to some yard sales, and one of them was in a container, one of those in a storage container. And there were some tables laid out, and I was looking at the stuff, and then I saw this little guy on one of the tables. And I just saw a video about this same spork, and so I was like, hey, Dad, look at that. And I picked it up, and we looked at it. It was only 50 cents. This, all in one piece, practically brand new spork was 50 cents. And usually you can get it from anywhere from around 10 to even 20 bucks sometimes. So that's a deal. That's a deal if I've ever seen one. I really like it. I mainly use it for the spoon, but you can use it for the fork. And it has a cute little knife right here. But yeah, titanium, very hard, very durable, much more durable than the plastic sporks they sell. So yeah, that is the 9th item in my cook kit. Okay guys, now we get to do the fun part where we go over the people who I want to tag to do a video about their cook kit. So, before I say the names of who I want to tag, I want to make sure that you guys know what to do in your video. So obviously, make a video about your cook kit. If you don't feel like you have enough time to go over all of your cook kits, like let's say you have like 30 cook kits, and you want to go over them semi-in-depth, but you don't feel like you have enough time to go over all of them, feel free to do a part 1, part 2, part 3 video as a video. You know, because all I want to see is you guys make a video about your cook kit. That's what this is all about, is make a video about your cook kit. I want to see what your cook kit is all about. I also want to make sure that you guys mention me in my video, in your video. Give me a big shout out. Say, Jep's Outdoor Adventures tagged me to do a video about my cook kit. If you haven't checked out his channel already, go check him out. I'll have a link in the description to his channel. So yeah, go check him out. So as I said, let's go over my cook kit. Something along those lines. So definitely, that's a must. You must give me a shout out in your video. If you don't, then it doesn't help you out and it doesn't help my channel out. But if you do give me a shout out in your video, it'll help your channel and it will help my channel. And so that's kind of a balance there. So yes, definitely give me a shout out in your video if you could, please. That would just definitely help out both of our channels. Next thing you need to do is make sure you put a link in the description or in the comment section or both to my channel instead of my video. That way people can see not just the video I made, but also other videos I've made. That's a kind of a cool trick I found. Next thing you need to do is put tagged in the title of your video. Anyway, don't worry about any expectations you may think I have. Just make a video. Tag me, make a video, at the end of the video, tag someone else to do a video about it. That's kind of what this is all about, is build the community, make the community stronger. So yeah. So that's what I want you guys to do. Make sure you put tagged in the title of your video. Make sure you give me a shout out, all that good stuff. So I've rambled on enough. Now let's get to the people who I want to tag. First person I've tagged to do a video is Really Big Monkey 1. So the second person I've tagged to do a video about their cook kit is Life in the Tag. The third person I have tagged to do a video about their cook kit is Instinct Survivalist. Fourth person I've tagged to do a video about their cook kit is Brooke Whipple, aka Girl in the Woods. So the fifth person I've tagged to do a video about his cook kit is Survival Metal Man. Sixth person I have tagged to do a video about your cook kit is a Prepared Wanderer. Now the seventh person I've tagged to do a video about his cook kit is the one who I thought would actually say no, but actually said yes. He's a really nice guy on YouTube. He has a huge channel, and that is Joe Robinette. Okay, guys, I'm running out of battery, so as I said, Joe Robinette is the seventh person I've tagged to do a video about his cook kit. If you haven't checked out his channel, I have a link in the description, as well as all the other people I've mentioned. As you can hear in my voice, I'm hurrying, so I'm sorry about this. But yeah, I'll have the link in the description to my Patreon account where you can help donate to help keep my channel going, help make better quality videos, help me get better camera equipment, and things of that sort. I'll have the link in the description as well as in the comment section. Just remember, guys, to give me a big shout out in your video. Give the link to my channel in the description. Put tagged in the headline of your video. And yeah, just do your best and have fun doing it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.